Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. Today we are back with Bitcoin on a daily time frame, knowing that CME is open. As you guys are all, I'm sure, aware, we are getting a nice little markup into the levels that we were already looking for. 17,250 on Bitcoin finally got tapped. After a 4-hour open and close above this level, we can go to the next level, 17,450, 17,500. And then 18,000 is the next one. So keep those levels in mind. After we have open and close on a daily above 18,000, I can give you the next target about like 19K. So it's going to be going up $1,000 at a time per resistance after this point. But that's if we have 4-hour open and close above 17,250. We'll be looking for 17,450, 400, and then that $18,000 area. Now, if we pull back, ideally we want to hold support at 17,163, but you should not be shocked going and testing into 17,040. If you can hold that level with 4-hour open and closes, that's great. Going sideways above there means tomorrow will probably open up and continue up higher into that level that we're already looking for, which is around 17,400 and then at around 18,000. If we do lose 17,040 and we start closing, and 17,050 was a level that was the other level that we've said how many times to you? If we lose that on a 4-hour open and close, you better hope that 16.8 is gonna act as support. But closing a 4-hour under 16.8, this will officially look like a head and shoulders to me. Okay, so all you guys getting all excited and hoo-ha right now, right? You shouldn't be. This right here is happening while you have no control over the market. Everyone is waking up to this extreme rise. So what does someone naturally want to do? Some of you retail people are gonna open your phone and hit 100x long FOMO in. Some of you other people who are already long with me are already being told what to do. So hopefully you're doing it, which is take profits on your longs. You've officially made from the beginning of the year, which I told you guys too. You've officially made about 5% with no leverage. I know you guys are using leverage. I'm using leverage. So it's like 5% in like a matter of 4 or 5 days of actual trading. It's almost like 1/3 of your year's gains you could be putting it away, if not more than that. Because I know a lot of us made a lot of money. It's time to pay yourself. Take a breather and relax. Do not get that FOMO above. Do not chase. Think logically, like how I drill into you guys, members. Please, please, please be responsible right now. Do not turn into a degenerate, okay? The money will flow. Right now, we're at a resistance level. As a technical trader, you have to take your profits, you have to hedge, and then now you look for where is support. Well, support wise, I told you I'm looking for 17,050 acting as support. Worst case scenario, 16.8. After that, I'm looking for the same targets I've told you guys at nauseum, 16.4 or 5, which was the golden pocket, and then 15,800-ish, okay, as the bottom of this structure. And after that, you're going to get those nasty target levels that I've given you on the larger time frame analysis. A few of you other people who've been watching my videos should be very, very aware of what's here. Okay, this higher high on RSI, but a lower high on price. Closing the daily here will give us a first drive of a bear div. So we need to close at 18 today, or closing here will give us a bear div, and then tomorrow we can open and play around with, support. Same levels again tomorrow, but I'm just giving you that heads up right now. Going to a 4-hour time frame. Okay, we are hitting oversold conditions. I mean, overbought conditions, and we're hitting upper resistance. I was giving you 17,250 to 17,400, so obviously, keep that 17,400 level in your mind. If you get to that level, obviously TP a little, take profit a little bit, and add to your hedge short. Um, Aside from that, if the 4-hour closes above 16.4, I told you we're going to go to 18. If we start finding resistance in this area and you start coming off your oversold conditions, be ready for a test of support at 17,050 that I've been saying over and over and over. I've already repeated all these numbers at nauseam. Just keep in mind that if you lose 16.8 on a 4-hour open and close, and if it happens quickly, the head and shoulder formation on the larger time frames is possible to play out, and we're gonna be doing a fast move down. So if you see that fast move down, whatever side of the position you're in, you better adjust accordingly and hear my voice in the back of your head. So that's Bitcoin right there for you guys. Awesome. Let's go to ETH. Ooh, I just thought of a very, very good name of the video today. I think you guys will laugh at it. Here is ETH on a daily time frame, also going right to the targets that we had. I do have a short from 1320. As I said, for the last few days, I'm gonna do it. I did it. I have my long from 1360, so I'm basically up like 400%, 500%, whatever it is, because I'm in a 100x long. I already took my profit on my long, like almost 80%. I have 20% running, and I have almost a 80% short running here with knowing that, hey, if we go above 1350, I better get ready right away for 15. Okay, I'm ready for 15, but I know 1400 is first. So ignore this until we start opening and closing a daily above 1400, and then before 1400 is 1350. So we need to first close above 1320 daily, and then we can start looking for these other targets. But I'll give you more precise targets on the 4 hour. Just know that if we close above 1320 today at 8 p.m., it is very good for ETH to continue into the higher resistance levels, okay, which is 1350 and 1400 and then 1500 even. If you find resistance here and we start pulling back, okay, we do not want to close a 4 hour under 1300. If that happens, we have 1280 as support. Losing 1280 as support, you have that 1225, 1230 area with the golden pocket. Once that's done, it's straight looking for support at 1180, 1080, and then you get all those nice numbers that I gave you under. So be prepared for that on a daily time frame scale. It's going to take time for the resistance to fully play out, but we have another set of bear divs playing out with this high, with this high, and this high with this low. So equal highs but higher highs. That's another possible well, that's actually a bullish divergence because this has possibility to go higher, but it's using the less amount of strength to get this big of an impulse. So that's actually a bullish divergence on 4 hour. We are also in the bullish control zone. So closing like this does give me angst about not like more than likely in the next 4 hour open we will get into that 1350 to $1400 area. So just be prepared for that. If we open the next 4 hour and we just gun down, you have your support possibilities at 1280 and under 1280, 1250, and then 1220. So those are the layers of support that you can DCA into a long ladder. If you didn't get into this long, don't chase. You DCA into the support levels that I gave you guys in the form and fashion of a bull flag. Okay, and then hopefully it doesn't go under 1240, because if it doesn't go over 1240 and we close 4 hours above it, this would be a perfect test of the 200 EMA to continue back up even higher in like a consolidation, like huge flag up. So just keep all that in mind, guys. That's what I wanted to point out for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I gave you guys your levels to the upside, gave you guys levels to the downside. You got to wait for the 4 hour close, which is in like 2 minutes. Last thing I want to point out is Dixie. A lot of people are not noticing Dixie. A lot of people are not watching funding rates. A lot of people are not watching longs to short ratios. Come on, guys. You guys want to trade for a living? You gotta make sure you're looking at your data properly. Okay. Here is Dixie doing a little fake, not fake, a potential head and shoulder situation right here on the low, which I'm not looking for. I'm looking for the inverse head and shoulder to play out. But if we can't get above this level here, around 104.50, then this is a risk of it continuing down. Now, I have my alert over here at 103.50. If my alert hits and you guys see me DM you on Discord that, hey, my Dixie alert hit, more than likely it's going down, meaning Dixie and Bitcoin and all the assets in the world are pushing up higher into you know, the upside due to Dixie rolling back. So get ready for that. If Dixie closes this 4 hour here and then continues back up, well, we have a possible bottom on Dixie and a possible top on all those other assets as Dixie starts gunning back up into this resistance, you're going to feel the downside pressure on all the other assets. And Dixie's almost oversold and ready for a reverse on a 4-hour time frame. So in about 2 hours, we'll see if that's a possibility. But just keep that in mind as well, guys. Like, we're not out of the woods yet, and we're pretty close to a reversal on Dixie with these sideways moves. Just be careful is all I want to say. And that's basically all I wanted to say, guys. I hope you guys had a great weekend. A lot of the Saturday price action was garbage, but Sunday we all got good calls in the morning with those alts. Everyone made a killing on Solana, on what was the other one? Algo, and then obviously Bitcoin, Ethereum. So I hope everyone's doing good, making money, collected in the pockets. Don't forget monthly dues are due in about 2 weeks, so don't forget. And then if you guys haven't already, please like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications if you haven't already. If you could leave me a comment, I would greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions or other assets you want to cover, please leave it in the comment section below, and I will be back with the new video with those answers. If you guys are interested in trading with us live, scalping with us live, or just learning how to trade better in general, please feel free to join us in our Discord server. The link to the Discord server is in the description of this video below. So just click more info on this YouTube video and you will find all the links to the Discord server and all the other affiliate services that I recommend you guys using that I use myself. And yeah, aside from that, guys, I hope you guys have a great day and I hope to talk to you soon. Be safe, talk to you, and have a great week. Profitable week, hedged week, calm and relaxed in a trading range week. Thank you.